Do you have a plan B? I don't. The reason I'm saying that is because of the mere fact plan Bs are never a good way to go. If you try something, whether it be starting a business, starting an online business, or whatever it may be, going back to school, having a plan B is an escape route. And it's actually an excuse to not commit to the plan A, your first idea, your first plan. Arnold Schwarzenegger just did a recent video, and he was saying that plan Bs are never a good idea. And I agree with it. Now, do you have a plan B? Because we've all done it. It's second nature. It's human to think to yourselves, well, if this doesn't work out, I can always do this. Like, a lot of people have 2 or 3 backgrounds where they can say, I'm doing this as my main living, but I've also got something over here skilled at, and if this doesn't work out, I can go to this, or I can go to that, or whatever it may be. Now, I've had lots of plan Bs in my life. Always had a plan B. And you know something? I wouldn't be where I am today if it wouldn't be for me being committed to my first plan and following through with it. And I would love to hear your feedback of how you think and feel regarding having a plan B for yourself, if you have one. Or do you stick with the first commitment and actually follow through with it? My name is Robert Miller with Miller Education Ventures. Give me some feedback.